Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to check out timetables on the Qatar Airways application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the app on your phone, go to your home page and click on this menu icon in the upper right corner of the screen. Tap on timetable at the bottom, and then you should wait a few seconds till it loads. You should select the type of trip, such as round trip or one way. Select your departure point, and after that your destination. Select the departure date and the return date and click on the Find Flights button down below, and then you will be able to check out the available flights, and the timetable will be at your disposal in a minute. Here you can find it, including the departure time, arrival, the flight number and the duration as well. So that's the departure flight, and here you can see the return flight, and below you can also book the flights as well. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.